You need to replace the rear wing on the Chrysler Crossfire. We'll show you how to do that. First thing you need to do, open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, you have this plastic cover here that you need to remove. You have several retainers around the perimeter. You can easily remove them using a flat screwdriver. Just insert them and pull them out like that. I have already removed most of them. And you pull them out. One last thing that you need to do is right here by the trunk release, we have this T20 torque screw you need to remove. And one last thing is this release needs to be disconnected. So what you do is turn it this way and then right here press with a screwdriver. Pull it away. Now you can remove the plastic trim. And then as you can see right here, we have several screws, 10mm screws around here that do need to be replaced. And once you remove those,